Hey guys, welcome to Automate with Amit, and welcome in the series of Java interview questions where we learn the most asked Java interview questions. So in this video, we are going to see and learn what are the palindrome string and what is the palindrome string and how we can create a palindrome. I check if a particular string is a palindrome or not. So for those who don't know what is the palindrome string, so if any particular string is equal to the reverse string of itself, then it is going to be called as uh, um, palindrome. Okay, so let's see. So here I am going to create a new class over here. Okay, so I am going to name is palindrome, and let me include this public static void main. Okay, so here I am going to create one more method, public static void is palindrome. Okay, and here this is palindrome is going to receive one string. So let's call this string as word. Okay, so here let's create a boolean is palindrome equals true. Okay, so we are considering that whatever word is being sent is true, and if that is not going to be matching with the reverse of the string, then it is going to be a non-palindrome string. Okay, so let's try this. First of all, we need a reverse of this word. Okay, so let's do this in this way. So let it. Okay, so int I equals 0 and I is less than word dot length and I plus plus. So if you have not watched my previous video where I have created program to reverse how to reverse a particular word, particular string, then I will give you a link in the description as well as in the card. You can go and watch that. I have given over there multiple ways through which you can reverse a particular string. Okay, so here let me create one more string which is going to be reversed string equals. Okay, so it is not going to have anything, but what we will do, we are going to have reversed string plus equals. So each character from back side of word we are going to introduce into this in this I and this reverse string. So for that, actually we need to run this loop from backside, like from if a word has 4 characters, then fourth character we want at first. Okay, so from here till here equals, and we want it to be from word -1 because otherwise we are going to get array out of bound exception. Okay, so index out of bound, sorry. Okay, so we want word of I. So here Okay, so we want this character at string dot char. So we want this character to be converted to string. So we want this word to be converted into the string so that it can be used. What is the problem with this? Okay, so let's see. Character dot to string. To string here, we want word dot to char array, and we want character at, or okay, so let's do one thing. Character at, we can use this character at I. Okay, so character at I we are going to fetch, and it is going to be reversed in this form. So here we can now check if reversed string is dot equals to word. Okay, so if that is going to be equal, then okay, so in that case we don't need this because immediately we are going to print out this. Okay, so we are going to say that word, so whichever word is there, we will say that is a palindrome string. Okay, else we will say that is not a palindrome if that is not equal, is not a palindrome string. Okay, so we need not we don't require this, so I'll be removing this. Okay, so let's see if our program works fine. Is palindrome, so it requires a string. So first let me give some non-palindrome string. Okay, so Amit is not a palindrome string because reverse of this string is not same. Okay, so if I give Anna, then it is going to be an, okay, so it is telling that not a palindrome string. Okay, fine. So let's see if it is reversing or not. Okay, so first of all, let's check if reversed, it is getting a reversed string. Okay, so here, let's see if it is going to be reversed or not. Okay, so it is not getting reversed. Okay, so somehow it is not. A reverse string equals this, then it is going to be in this word at, and if we remove this, then what is going to happen? It is not going to cause any issue. Okay, so it is not printing. That means this reverse string has don't have any value. Okay, so what? Okay, so let's see if this has something. Okay, so debug as, let's see what is the value it is getting at this point. Oh, okay, so it is not getting inside the loop itself. See, so we said that, okay, so we said that I equals to word dot length minus 1, which is in this case it's 3. Okay, so and I is less than equals to 0, which is true. I is less, I is lesser, which is false, because I is 3 and 0 is lesser, greater, sorry, lesser. Okay, so that's why it is not getting inside this loop itself, and because of which it is giving us issue. So for that we need to correct this. Okay, once we correct this, then it is going to work as okay, we got this, and string index out of bound exception. So for that, let's see, I is 3, so range out of range third. Okay, so let's do this thing. Let's understand what is happening over here. So here basically we are coming inside again. Let's debug this. Okay, so it is very important that we know how to correct our program in case we get stuck. So that is also sometime, you know, your interviewer checks if you get stuck, then whether you are capable enough to think in different way and able to resolve that issue or not. So that is also a kind of analytical skill which sometime interviewer checks. So for that, so over here, if you see, this reverse string is, so this is Anna, which is of 0, 1, 2, and here we want this length is 0, 1, 2, that means 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, so 2 character at second, 0, 1, 2, which is A is going to be assigned into this. Okay, so let's move further. And here step over I am going to do, and let's see what has A as. Okay, N is again N. Okay, so here what is happening, this reverse string is not having enough, you know, so word length -1 till I is less greater than equals to 0. And okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's consider this I equals word length, word dot length -1, and I is greater than 0, so I plus plus. Okay, so over here basically we are doing wrong, because we are running our program from word dot length, which is 2 to 0, and eventually we want to reduce our value of I, not increase it. Okay, so this was the issue. So let's see how if this works. Okay, so it got reversed, but since we are having this capital A and small a, that's why it is not considering it correct. So for that, what we need, we just have to, you know, lowercase or dot lowercase, and first we need to make in lowercase, and then we need to, you know, reverse. So just to lowercase, and now let's see. So now Ni is a palindrome string, and over here if we give any other value, then it is not going to be okay. So it is reversing, and it is not a palindrome string. So this was quite interesting to see. Sometimes small things we do not able to see, although it remains in front of us. So it's fine. I mean, that's how we learn, and that's how we need to, analyze the things where exactly it is causing the issue, and we need to debug it, and eventually find the issue where it is and how it is causing the issue. And eventually we need to come out of the situation where we were getting stuck. So that was all. So little bit this video gone long, so but it's fine. I mean, so at least we learned something, how to analyze the things, how to come out of the situation where we get stuck. Okay, so with that, Amit, I'm signing off. Thank you. Have a nice day.